In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer portal in Salesforce. This process is a fantastic way to enhance your customer interactions by providing them with an accessible platform to view and manage their information. Let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, go to the home page in your Salesforce account. It's your starting point where you'll find the essential tools and features available for your workflow. Click on the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Settings is a crucial area in Salesforce where you can customize and manage your preferences and configurations. Once you're in settings, look for the option to open the advanced setup. This section allows you to configure more detailed aspects of Salesforce, enabling you to tailor your experience to better suit your needs. Next, in the setup search bar, type in Digital Experiences. Digital experiences in Salesforce are designed to enhance user interaction by creating more personalized and engaging web experiences. Under the Digital Experiences section, you'll find an option labeled All Sites. Click on this. Here, you'll be able to see a list of various experiences you've created or manage existing ones. It's a great way to monitor and edit your digital touchpoints. Now, from the list of sites, click on Builder. The Builder in Salesforce is a powerful tool that lets you visually design and manage your portals. Navigating to the Builder is essential as it offers you the capability to modify layouts, templates, and customize your site's aesthetics. Once you're in the Builder, look for and click on the Theme option. The theme is where you decide on the general appearance of your portal. It involves color schemes, font choices, and overall visual style, ensuring your portal aligns with your brand's identity. After setting the theme, move on to the page structure. This feature allows you to design the layout of your customer portal pages. It's important to focus on a user-friendly structure, as the page layout directly impacts the user's experience and navigability. Finally, after making all necessary adjustments and ensuring everything looks great and functions well, click on Publish. Publishing makes your newly created customer portal live, so your customers can start using it immediately. Remember, you can always come back to make further tweaks and publish updates as needed. With these steps complete, you've successfully created a customer portal in Salesforce. Not only does this empower your customers by providing them an easy interface to manage their needs, but it also enhances your business's service capabilities. Thank you for following along. See you next time as we explore more features and tips in Salesforce.